As the brown pelicans fly along the Atlantic coast, they seek concentrations of fish called bait balls. Thousands of fish gather into groups so dense they look like dark clouds amidst the shallow waters near the coast. The group scatters at each sign of danger in a mesmerizing display of uniform movement. The pelicans dive to feed, casually swimming just above their prey. For smaller fish species, there is instinctual safety in numbers, although it is easy pickings for the pelicans who keep moving up the coast. On they fly to the next bait ball or a respite from the ocean, having had their fill of fish for the morning.